nothing without my fans.
What's up, YouTube? So we back with another one, and this one is going to be a good one. So this video is for anybody with a basic paint job, whether it's the factory paint or whether you painted the car, whether it's a Rust-Oleum paint job, it doesn't matter. If you got a paint job on your car that you want to do just a little bit more, you feel like that paint job needs something just a little bit more, this video is for you. Alright, so I'm going to show you 4 different options. That's why there's 4 different speed shapes. There's going to be 4 different options that you can do to upgrade your boring paint job. Alright, now I'm also going to spray this with the Harbor Freight gun because I'm going to keep it cheap, because everything on here is less than $75. Everything is less than $75. Now, the clear that you guys use to do it, that's up to you. You don't even have to use the Oma. Whatever you know, because I know a lot of you guys are budget guys too, so whatever you want to use, these are just going to be additives that you can add on top of your basic paint job, right? So all of these speed shapes have been sprayed in an indigo blue. And before you guys ask, this is not one of my colors, but it is a nice color. It's an indigo blue. I will leave a link below where you guys can buy indigo blue if you want this color. But no matter what color it is, I'm just doing this for the video, but no matter what color your paint job is, there are many options, and I'm going to show you 4 of those options right now on how to upgrade your paint job. So let me clear this up, and let's get to the video. Okay, YouTube, option number 1, candy. This is the Grant 7 No Fade Candy. Now, the color I'm going to be using today is called Champion Blue. I don't think I've ever done a video on Champion Blue, so I am going to spray it over some liquid diamond just so you guys can see the true color of the Champion Blue. But the secret to making your factory paint job, or any paint job, look deeper, throw candy over it. Here's a perfect example. This is the Vicious Violet over black. If you guys did not see this video, I'll link it below. But this is the Vicious Violet over black. You do not have to spray candy over metallic bases. If you do, of course, you'll get that deep wet look, but you can also get that over a solid base. This is a non-metallic base. This is Vicious Violet over the Black Mamba base. And as you see, it still has a nice deep shine to it, and that's essentially what's going to happen here. So I'm going to spray the Grant 7 No Fade Candy over, it's going to be Champion Blue over this indigo blue. I don't know exactly how it's going to come out, but it's going to be sexy. You can guarantee it's going to be sexy. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So let me set up that Harbor Freight gun, and we are going to spray out these 2. That way you guys can see the true color of the Champion Blue, and then you also can see what it's going to look like over a basic, non-metallic blue base coat. All right? So let me cut you guys back on. Let me get the gun. right, YouTube, it is time for option number 2. So option number 2 is going to be pearls. Now, when it comes to pearls, there's so many choices, so many colors. I mean, you can keep it mild or you can go all the way to wild. So for that reason, we offer a 25 color sample pack. And this is what it is. And there's at least 2.5 grams in each one. Yeah, it might be a little bit more, YouTube. But something like this is why this is good. Because if you're going to do it, you want to be able to see what's going to work best instead of trying to look at the colors on your screen. So if you get the 25 sample pack, you have the option of doing something like this, right? So I don't know which one I want to spray out for you guys. So we're just going to run through a few of them. I don't know. That's a choice. This is a magic yellow. There's a choice in this one. Oh, that's not bad either. We got a couple of purples. Nah, I think I want something a little bit more. But the purples, we have I think it's 5 blues in here. So you would use the same color if you want to keep it kind of subtle. But there's 5 different blues in here. We got some pinks and I don't know, YouTube. See, this is hard. This is why. It all depends on what you're going for, but let me see. Hold on, YouTube. Hold on. This one, that might be a nice little flip. This one might be a contender, YouTube. So we're going to put this one here. We're going to put this one here. We're going to put that one there. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. We got to bring it back. Hold on. Put that one there. All right. So we also got some silver. There's some grays and some black. I'm not going to do those. There are some different shades of green. Nah, I'm not going to do those. And we also have a couple of browns. Nah, I'm not going to do those. All right, YouTube. So it's going to come down to one of these. YouTube. All right, this is hard, YouTube. Let's see. I know you guys are probably looking at your screen like, pick that one. See, if you guys go over to my community post, I'll start dropping polls before I do this, and you guys can vote on what colors you want to see. YouTube. I don't know. This orange might be it, YouTube. Hold on, though. This yellow. I don't know, YouTube. All right, I'm kind of leaning towards one of these. Which one is this? Rosy red and magic orange. I'm kind of leaning. I think we're going to go with the orange, YouTube. I don't know, though. All right, we're going with orange, YouTube. We are going to go with orange. Why not? All right? We're just going to spray a little bit, make something happen. But yes, guys, if you want to get your own sample pack, you can get it on buycustompaint.com. You will receive a pack just like this. 25 different colors. There's at least 2.5 grams. I hope you guys are not bothered by the airplane, but there's at least 2.5 grams in each bag for testing purposes, and then you guys can order as much as you want to get. But the sample pack will give you all 25 of the solid colors that we currently have in stock. So I think this is it, man. This is going to be interesting. All right, YouTube. So let me mix this up and we going to spray. Let me cut you guys back on. Okay, YouTube, we are up to option number 3, which is going to be the glitter pearls. Now the glitter pearls are different than the last series that you just saw. Those were just solid color pearls. The glitter pearls have a larger particle size, which kind of makes it look a little bit more like metal flake, but it's not metal flake. You still have the pearl effect. It still will flip. It just has a larger size to give it a little bit more sparkle. Now in this series we have 5 colors. We have gold, green, blue, purple, and red. So today I'm going to be spraying the red out, and I already have the clear mixed up, the Oh My clear, but you know, you guys can use whatever clear you want when you're doing this, but I'm going to mix them up into the clear. You should mix the pearls into an inner coat, but I'm just mixing it into a clear for the video purpose. All right guys, so let me mix this up and let's get to spraying. Alright YouTube, we are at option number 4, which is the metal flake, and we are going to be using Grant 7 Magic Flakes, and this is the 50-50 mix of blue and silver left over from the last video. If you guys did not see the last video, it will pop up at the end of this one. So listen, you already know how this is. If you watched the last video, you know what's about to happen, but this is a 50-50 mix, which means it's half silver and half blue. So I already have some clear mixed up, the Oh My. I'm about to pour the flake in. Woo! I'm gonna pour the flake in and get ready to spray, YouTube. All right, let me get this stirred up and get it in the gun, and I'll be back. Alright YouTube, so we're at the end of the video, and as you can see, we got 4 very different results, but we also got 4 amazing results. So the first one, we put the Champion Blue candy over the blue base, and it came out to this beautiful deep blue. We added the orange pearl over the blue base, and we got this nice flip. We added the red glitter pearl over the blue base, and we got this. I think this one's my favorite though, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. And then we got the 50-50 mix of the silver and blue metal flake over the blue. And I'm gonna be honest, YouTube, they're all amazing, but I think this one is my favorite. Let me know in the comment section which one you guys like the best, because honestly, you can't go wrong with any one of these results. So it doesn't matter what color your car is, you can still make it look good. You can still add something. You guys saw what we started with, and this is what we're ending with. So if you're interested in any one of these products, everything on here is under $70. The pearls and the flake are under $40. I mean, you can get any of this stuff at buycustompaint.com. Now, it is dark outside, or I would have took them out in the sun, so hopefully you guys can see it. When I edit it, if it doesn't look good, I'll wait. But if you can see it, then I'm going to post this. And if I do post this and you guys want to see it out in the sun, then I'll post that video on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. I will put the link below in the comment section as well. All right, guys, so I appreciate everybody for coming through. Remember, you can get all of these things no matter what kind of paint job you have. As long as your paint is in good condition, you can just upgrade it for little to no money. All right, guys, so I will definitely catch you on the next one. Appreciate you.